Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious lemonade. It has a lot of properties and it's very refreshing. It's a prickly pear pineapple lemonade that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious, nutritious lemonade, these are the ingredients. I have granulated sugar, pineapple, 1 prickly pear, lemons, water, and ice. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and refreshing lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start here by first making my simple syrup. I am using 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. And to this, I'm going to take it to the stove. I am going to cook it until there is no granulated sugar on the water. Just like that. When this is done, I'm just going to put it aside and let it rest until it comes to room temperature. And here I have my lemons. They are so juicy. I am going to get all the amazing juice out of these lemons. And with this little gadget, you could really get everything out. Look at this. Okay, I have my lemon juice here. I'm going to put it aside. I have my prickly pear and my pineapple. I'm going to go ahead and start slicing and cutting the center, the seed out of the prickly pear. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long, but the prickly pear has so many benefits for your body that once you start drinking it, you are really going to feel amazing. And here I'm just going to chop away. I'm going to add everything into my NutriBullet blender. This NutriBullet blender, I only use it for my lemonades and for my smoothies. You know I love spicy food, so I never use my NutriBullet with any sauce or any chilies. Well, here I am going to, of course, add the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to bring up all those amazing flavors of the prickly pear and the pineapple, lemon, you name it. I'm adding some water. I'm going to go ahead and blend it completely for a couple minutes. Okay, this is done. Now I am ready to show you the color and show you that I'm going to put it through a sifter and get all the fiber out of the juice. Look at this. This fiber you are not going to use. You're going to put it aside and look at this. Look how much juice I'm getting out of the prickly pear and the pineapple. This is exactly what you don't want in your lemonade, okay? I am going to continue sifting the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. Look how much juice. And the color of the juice is a very light green. I don't know if the camera could really capture the color of the juice, but it's just amazing. After you are done, now let me show you. Look how amazing the color looks. It's a very light green. Look at this. Of course, to this I am going to add the simple syrup, and I'm only going to add a splash. I'm not going to add the whole cup of the simple syrup. I'm adding the whole juice of the lemons. I'm going to add a little splash of the simple syrup. Remember, you decide how much sweetness you want in your lemonade. The less you use, the better. And here I'm just going to mix. I'm going to add some more water. And then I am ready to prepare my pitcher with a lot of ice and pieces of pineapple inside. Of course, remember, you need to decorate your pitcher. You need to make sure that you add pieces of the pineapple, slices of the lemon, and of course, you are really going to enjoy this refreshing lemonade made at home with lots of love. And here I have my pitcher. I'm going to add the pieces of the pineapple into it. I'm going to leave some behind so that I could add to my glass. And once this is done, you could see the pieces of the pineapple, the slices of the lemon. Now I'm ready to pour the amazing juice of the prickly pear and pineapple. Look at this. This agua fresca is really refreshing, really delicious, and it is perfect for this hot weather. In California, it's nice and hot, and why not enjoy a homemade lemonade? I am sure you guys are going to love it. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy it. But this looks amazing. You could really smell the citrus of the fruits. Can't wait to enjoy. So I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and refreshing prickly pear with pineapple lemonade. I am sure you are going to love it. It has so many properties, so many benefits for our bodies that I know you guys are really going to enjoy it. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The combination of the prickly pear and the pineapple, just perfection. Amazing. You need to prepare it and you need to refresh yourself with this amazing prickly pear pineapple lemonade. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.